Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been in the very best of health. Alhamdulillah, I've been doing wonderfully great. So today I will be making a niqab tutorial, but before I start I would like to appreciate you guys that contacted me during the time I was away. Thank you all so much. Thank you for your messages, thank you for your care, thank you for your support. Like, I appreciate everything. It's a beautiful feeling knowing that you guys care about me. Thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, oh my god, you guys are the best. I welcome every one of you to this channel. Like, I didn't expect anyone to still subscribe to my channel, even though I've been away for almost 3 months now, but you guys still have the faith in me and you still subscribe to my channel. Like, it's like, I am so happy and I'm grateful, guys. Thank you all so much. I appreciate all the things you are doing for me. Thank you, and I hope you are going to enjoy it here. Like, I don't know what to say, but I just hope, I just pray that you're going to like it here. Thank you for joining me, and let's get right into the video. So I have this long scarf here that I'll be using. It's a two-color scarf. So I'll be starting from these edges, or these edges, and see, because I want to use the pink color around my nose, so I will be folding it. This color will be inside and it's going to be like this, so I will be folding it like this. See, and this is going to go around my nose like this. I'm going to tie it together. Secure it at the back and tie it together. So this is how it's going to be. Here. And because this, check this one here like this. And tie up like this offset. From there we have this amount left, so from there I'll just take it like this. And use this, pin this around here to secure it. Be careful so you will not injure yourself. Just to secure that piece. Yeah, like this. So if this is too tight for some people, you can just adjust it. It just depends on how you want it. And grab another pin and secure this piece right here. Like this. And I'm going to leave a style so that this one here be outside so that will be showing. This. I'll be using this birch. It just depends on whatever you want to use. Just attach this right here, just like a design with your cloth, so it's not come up or anything like that. This is it. So if you think it's kind of coming out here, you just take a pin or just put it here, right here, and take this pin out and adjust it again. And there you go. I can just stick a pin to just put it right here, and that's all. So if you want to heat or anything, just take this off and do whatever you want to do, and you can just put it back. It goes like that. It's just simple. It's a very simple one. Yeah. It'll take less of the time. So that will be it for today, and I hope you all enjoy watching. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to share. And thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And if you don't like the other style, you can just leave it like this instead of just crossing it over and using the pin. If you don't like too much pin on your hijab, just leave it like this and still have the same thing. Right. And you're good to go.